Nice defense, running the point, sorry, for Serbia. And Japina passes it to the cutter. Stop, pop, that shot looked good, just hit the back of the rim. Both these teams getting out and running early. And that time, Foski, as he gets it back, uses the screen up top, just attacks the help side defense. Can't get the shot to go. Now we have a fast break opportunity and easily flushes it home as that gets the crowd going to break a press and get out and run and come up with a rebound. Talk about offensive rebound. If you're just tuning in, go back and watch that. Nice three-point shot. That Spanish game, the third place game, as Lucic knocks down a three for Serbia, and they're back up on top now. Spain put on an absolute offensive rebounding clinic, and talk about an offensive rebound. Manage the offensive rebound and the easy putback for him. Lucic gets all the way to the hoop, but his shot gets blocked, and there for the rebound of that first quarter for Slovenia. Japina, he's going to go to the line. Three defenders. They were there. They had good. And, well, they get it over just in time. They throw it up top, and they get an easy two-point bucket. And in the middle for Slovenia. Slovenia, number 15. And great baseline penetration. Stops on a dime, able to go up into his pull-up. Oh, there it is, penetration in the transition. It has been very exciting. And this time, fight for the ball, loose ball, talk about the hustle. Who wants it more? Slovenia come up with it. They have the screen, now they have the mismatch. They go inside, we have time. Skip pass was well read, and there, blocked at three. And that's gonna lead to an easy bucket and an easy jam. To catch it and go up. Again, time and time again, already in this first quarter, first half, I should say, we've seen the pick and pop. And quick substitution, getting a little bit of a breather. They're going inside. Nikola Japina finds the cutter, takes the contact. Talk about hops. Marko Tufoski elevating. Exactly what coaches told them to do. Look at this. And nice pass underneath after the penetration. Nice cut. Gets the basket to go. A perfectly drawn up play and executed to perfection as well. Are you kidding me? A miscommunication defensively, or even better offense. Just a great action. Handoff, rolls hard, gets it back, help side, not even set, not even around the key. And Serbia starting to get hot from three. Single possession game. Slovenia have led all of this first half, and they continue to do the zone after a made or missed actually free throw throughout the game here. And gets the friendly roll, kisses it off the glass, rolls around the rim, and goes in. So last summer, who brought home the bronze. And shot fake, got the defender well off his feet. No good, can't get the tip to go either. And Serbia this time, they come up with the ball. Can't foul, or you're gonna put them on the free throw line. And tries to be fancy with the pass, and avoids the foul. And an easy development program in Slovenia, where Mr. Doncic, Luka Doncic's father, overheads the development. Oh, get that out of here. Penetration kick, open in the corner. He gets it to go. Rabar. They've been a huge issue for either team. And strong take all the way to the basket by Marko Tufoski. So Tufoski coming alive since he checked back into the game here in this third quarter. And nice penetration, kick to the corner. And Rabar lets it fly. As that one kisses the front of the rim. Don't get the box out though is Serbia. So another chance opportunity, and get that out of here. You can't go soft in my house, says the Serbian star, Nikola, with and well, great take by Lucic. As he gets an easy 2-point bucket. All you have to do is chip away at the score, put a couple consecutive scores and defensive stops together, and you're right back in this game. Spin baseline, almost gets it to go, and somehow comes back up with the ball. I have no idea how the ball ended up into the hands of Petkovsky. But it did, and as he was falling, he was able to make the basket. And nice, relaxed, reverse layup by Bosnjakovic. And, well, coming up hobbling is Bosnjakovic. Serbia desperately need a score, and instead they turn it over. (65-52) shot from the corner, and right now Slovenia this half have been lighting up from three. And things are becoming more and more difficult. And another turnover, 2 consecutive turnovers, by trying to not give anything up easily for Serbia. Pass to the corner, 3-point shot, look good. And they come up with the offensive rebound. And so more than half their team who are suited up playing tonight. And strong take. 30 points from 3-point range for Slovenia. Compared, well, I was holding my breath, waiting to see if that shot went in. I was good. Taking their time, gonna have to put the shot up. They get it up, and they get it to go. And has to save the ball, turns it over. We have a 2-on-1. Went with the Euro step. He gets it to go. He flexes. Oh, Grosic. All smiles after that play. And I think we'll see him back in the game again. It is raining. The team, well, they normally average around 15 a game, I think it is. And start popping the champagne because we are starting to celebrate here. This gym is gonna explode in a couple minutes. And gets the offensive rebound. Can't get the putback, but Shojic going to the free throw line. Oh, Well, another turnover and an easy bucket. And we are going to be partying on the streets, that's for sure. Oh, well, not going quietly. A big congratulations to Coach Nemanja Jovanovic and his Serbia staff as they will pull down the silver medal.